Oh, there he goes yawning again. Randall, you're yawning.
Yeah.
Well, that must be because you're tired. Possibility. Where are you at today? Oh, your doggy gives you some love. Okay.
Yeah. I'm in a park.
Okay, with Stony Creek Park today. Oh, I see there's some water. Could you roll your window down? We'll see the water for a minute. There's a fellow walking by, taking a stroll. That's nice. What are you doing, Muffin? Well, you're always doing something, aren't you? What's Muffin up to? His tail's wagging. That's good news. So yeah, you're over here by the water today. That's nice. It's a little chilly today, isn't it?
Yeah.